So nobody is you. Nobody, somebody, and everybody. So nobody is used as a subject in the sentence. Somebody is used as a subject in the sentence, and everybody is used as a subject in the sentence. Okay, just follow me. Nobody comes late.
Nobody comes late.
Nobody came late.
Nobody came late.
Nobody will come late.
Nobody will come late.
Nobody is teaching here.
Nobody is teaching here.
Nobody was teaching here.
Nobody was teaching here.
Nobody will be teaching here.
Nobody will be teaching here.
Nobody has talked to me.
Nobody has talked to me.
Nobody had talked to me.
Nobody has talked to me.
Nobody will have talked to me.
Nobody will have talked to me.
Nobody has been living here.
Nobody has been living here.
Nobody had been living here.
Nobody had been living here.
Nobody will have been living here.
Nobody will have been living here.
Somebody speaks in Marathi.
Somebody speaks in Marathi.
Somebody spoke in Marathi.
Somebody spoke in Marathi.
Somebody will speak in Marathi.
Somebody will speak in Marathi.
Everybody teaches good.
Everybody teaches good.
Everybody taught good.
Everybody taught good.
Everybody will teach good.
Everybody will teach good.
Everybody is paying the bills.
Everybody is paying the bills.
Everybody was paying the bills.
Everybody was paying the bills.
Everybody will be paying the bills.
Everybody will be paying the bills.
Nobody has worked here.
Nobody has worked here.
Nobody had worked here.
Nobody had worked here.
Nobody will have worked here.
Nobody will have worked here.
Somebody has been challenging me.
Somebody has been challenging me.
Somebody had been challenging me.
Somebody has been challenging me.
Somebody will have been challenging me.
Somebody will have been challenging me.
Everybody enjoys the game.
Everybody enjoys the game.
Everybody enjoyed the game.
Everybody enjoyed the game.
Everybody will enjoy the game.
Everybody
Will enjoy the game. Nobody is talking about her.
Nobody is talking about her.
Nobody was talking about her.
Nobody was talking about her.
Nobody will be talking about her.
Nobody will be talking about her.
Somebody has disturbed me.
Somebody had disturbed me.
Somebody had disturbed me.
Somebody had disturbed me.
Somebody will have disturbed me.
Somebody will have disturbed me.
Everybody has been lying.
Everybody has been lying.
Everybody had been lying.
Everybody had been lying.
Everybody will have been lying.
Everybody had been lying.
Now we can make the sentences in to be forms also. Alright? Follow me. Nobody is responsible.
Nobody is responsible.
Nobody was responsible.
Nobody was responsible.
Nobody will be responsible.
Nobody will be responsible.
Nobody is poor in Pune.
Nobody is poor in Pune.
Nobody was poor in Pune.
Nobody was poor in Pune.
Nobody will be poor in Pune.
Nobody will be poor in Pune.
Somebody is talented in the class.
Somebody is talented in the class.
Somebody was talented in the class.
Somebody was talented in the class.
Somebody will be talented in the class.
Somebody will be talented in the class.
Everybody is smart in Pune.
Everybody is smart in Pune.
Everybody was smart in Pune.
Everybody was smart in Pune.
Everybody will be smart in Pune.
Everybody will be smart in Pune.
Nobody is corrupt in my office.
Nobody is corrupt in my office.
Nobody was corrupt in my office.
Nobody was corrupt in my office.
Nobody will be corrupt in my office.
Nobody will be corrupt in my office.
Somebody is the winner of the game.
Somebody is the winner of the game.
Somebody was the winner of the game.
Somebody was the winner of the game.
Somebody will be the winner of the game.
Somebody will be the winner